Hello everyone, my name is Lunga Kanyele from Tept Forex. I represent Tifia. So if you want to open your live trading account, the link is above. You can open your trading account and start making money instantly. So if you just joined us, we are on Euro USD for our time frame. So I'm here to teach you how to set your stop loss in your trading. So if you take a close look at this chart, we are on Euro USD. So we can see that the pair is currently forming what is called a bullish flag pattern. As you can see, this part can be my pole. So we can have something like this. Maybe I have to change the color to white. Let me just quickly do that. Let me take my white here. So we will have white. Let me mark this and just remove all of this. So yeah, we will have something like this. I will read through this. So as you can see, we currently having the correction here. We can expect the breakout of this descending channel anytime soon. And once the price has managed to break out from this descending channel, we can wait for a retest before a continuation of an upward movement. So our entries will be right here on a retest of the structure, which is our descending channel. So we will have something like this. So our main aim is to minimize the risk. So we want to enter on our retest right here, and the stop loss can be placed right here. So how do we see where we need to jump out? Maybe I can take like my Fibonacci retracement line, and I will do something like this from the most recent swing high to the most recent swing low. So we can set our target right here, since I know exactly that if we are trading a bullish flag pattern, this distance from this part of the pole, this one, will be equal to this part. So if this part right here, this one, is maybe like 200 pips, we should expect the price to go 200 pips up again on this portion right here. So that's it. That was the short like lesson on how to set up your stop loss when trading. So always wait for a retest before you enter your trade. So I'm Lunga Kanyile from Tept Forex. Make sure you open your account, your live trading account with Tifia, and also don't forget to like our page. Thank you for watching. Bye.